Summary of the house builder. The lesson the house builder is based on the idea that one should do his work perfectly at all times. The story begins by introducing the central character of the story, who is a mason. The mason is known for doing his work with perfection. The result of his dedication come in the form of good business to his contractor, satisfied customers, and good remuneration for the mason himself. He works in a very committed manner for many years till he becomes a grandfather and then decides to retire. On the sincere request of the contractor, the mason very hesitatingly decides to build one last house on a very prime location. But he does it a very careless and negligent manner. He simply tries to complete the work without putting his mind and soul to it. The product is in the form of a carelessly built house with weak walls, poor structures, poor finish, and no beauty. The surprise element of the story comes in a very strange manner. The contractor gift that ready house to the mason. The message contained in the story is very simple. Do whatever you do to the best of your abilities. Had the mason done his last construction with devotion, he would have received a beautiful reward for it, but he received a gift which matched the efforts he had put into its creation. Hence, what you sow, so shall you reap, is another message we learn out of this lesson.